3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
In this video, I'll guide you through fixing the missing file privileges error on Steam. Start by fully exiting Steam. Click the arrow in the bottom right corner of your taskbar to reveal hidden icons. Then right-click the Steam icon and select Exit Steam. Once it's closed, locate Steam on your computer by typing Steam in the search bar. Right-click the app in the search results and choose Run as Administrator. Allow a moment for Steam to reopen with elevated permissions. Next, access the settings by clicking Steam in the top left corner of the app and selecting Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings window, go to the Download section. Here, change your download region to another nearby location. For example, switch from London to Manchester if you're in the UK. After selecting a new region, click Clear Download Cache on the same page. This action will restart Steam and prompt you to log back in, so ensure you have your password ready. Once Steam is running again, focus on the game causing the issue. Open your library, find the problematic game, right-click it, and select Properties. Navigate to the Installed Files tab and click Verify Casual Game Files. This process will scan for any corrupted or missing files and automatically repair them if necessary. After the verification is complete, the error should no longer appear and you can play the game as expected.